for companies that are trading near their 52-week high. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our series today with scanning our ticker symbols that we have for which one are in the top percentile, the top 10 percentile of their 52 week high. So, all right, let's just go ahead and get into it. First of all, most important, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we do one video built upon another. We usually do one, maybe two topics. But all right, let's just go ahead and get into it. First, I was realizing we were pickling our other information. We need to go ahead and just pickle this right here. So let's just go ahead and do that. So we're not having to wait, because this has already taken a while. We don't want to mess with this and download it. So we just need to get all our ticker symbols together. All right, open, and then let's just call it symbols.pickle. If I can type today, sorry about that, everybody. And then we're writing, because we're going to be creating this as F, and then pickle.dump. And then we're just going to call this symbols. All right. So there's that. So now we've already scanned in or created our pickled file for our first screen. That was, let's get that. We pulled this down. All right. Let's get rid of that. Oops. There we go. So our first screen is we took all the forward earnings per share greater than 0, so they're making money. So then our PE, forward PE, was less than 15. So we're going to delve into that more, but basically how much more than you're making paying a premium. So tech companies, they tend to have a very, very high PE because their growth is high. And we'll dig into that, and you can see a way to rationalize that number. But forward PE, we just went ahead and said, hey, this first batch, let's go ahead and keep it below profitable and the PE below 15. So let's just go ahead and bring that in with open. Then I named mine our base ticker, pickle. And we're reading this one. Close that out as F. And then we'll keep this just like the other one, the list that we're working off of, and this is pickle dot dump, and then we're dumping in our load, sorry. There we go. So now, and this we are going to be using, we're going to add these two to it. Copy. So now, inside our info, regular market price, and then our 52-week high. So the percentage of what is the price trading, and in our info dictionary, this is the close. So we'll deal with real time later. Right now, we're building up a list for you to do research on. Okay, and side note, I don't recommend any of these shares. I'm showing you a way to screen all of them and build up what you'd like. So, all right, not recommending any of them. There's my legal disclaimer. So, all right. And as always, for IN, we got our Y Finance for YN, the list. Then we're going to call it stock equals Y finance dot ticker I. Now, just like everything else, you're dealing with the internet, so you're going to have some that are going to fail, so you don't want your whole program to fail. So again, we're looking at percentage of 50-week high of these, and then we're going to start dealing more. So you can have a ton of little screeners that you can go and run all the time and continue to have multiple strategies. This is just one of them. I'll do one more, maybe two more, and then we'll kind of cool out on this series, because I could do this forever, but I know there are other interests. All right, so stock.info, and we're doing the marketplace. Copy, close that out, because that's our dictionary, divided by the 52-week high. And then we want this to be in the top, because the reason why, and you can go and look, the reason why you want this is for a variety of reasons. Is it coming down off a 52-week high, and it's gonna, because it's being oversold, or is it on the way back up to test it? So it's already hit a high, a brand new 52-week high. And then 0.8, you can do this as greater than or equal to 0.9. I wanted this to grab anything heading to 90%. And then, forgot our 90%. Empty list. And oops, and 90% dot append I. So there we go, and then accept, and then pass. So all right, so to recap, yeah, we're 7 minutes in. So to recap, well, here, I'll just go ahead and show you. So you can go and look at these. These are, again, I'm not recommending these, okay? But these are high, and the reason why these screeners are so good is the point of this is to make you aware of companies that are not out there and are being seen and are slipping through the cracks. When you check every single ticker symbol, gold shows up, okay? And now I'll also say this, just don't go and randomly just pick one. This is supposed to hit your radar so you can start reading about it and seeing, and then next we're going to show you how to compare and contrast with other things in that sector. All right? That sector and then that industry. Is it underperforming? Is it outperforming? Is it more valuable? Is it growing faster? Is it more profitable? We'll get into that. But right now, I want you to look and see how many out of all of these, we've boiled down 10,000 to a wonderful handful of choices. A couple of these are some pretty big names. And where's the other one? So again, do your research, but this right here is your building block of awesome companies, for companies that are trading near their 52-week high. An awesome screener that are 90% trading off their 52-week high. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. I've had some really good questions recently. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.